Alright, you guys. Fletcher, you cover the back. Dave, you go with Chris. Try to find stuff. I'm gonna watch this way, Fletcher, you watch that way. Alright? Guys, we're going to this town.
Did you guys find anything?
No. Not that I'm willing to open.
Down, drop. The more strenuous your activity, the more food and water you're gonna need. You're both dead.
Oh, you're not gonna hit?
You're both dead. You just set off a claymore mine.
Scotty, get up here. Get up here. Get up here. I need you. Take him out.
Evan, what happened?
Trying to get food. Behind the sign. Behind the sign. Hold your fire. Hold your fire. Hold your fire. He's about to run out of here. He's going. Cover me, because I'm robbing him of his ammo.
Drop one.
We got enough. Let's go through the... All right, grab those 2 bottles.
Watch out for booby traps.
Yeah.
Watch out for...
Trying to pick up everything. Pick up what we need and what we can carry.
Over here.
Guys, someone's coming up behind us. Dave.
You guys, you've successfully pissed everyone off. Everyone in the game. You also have to turn in 2 cans and a full bottle of water.
Get out there, too.
What's the situation?
Watching the trail. We got guys going through the woods. I got at least 2 guys in front of us. I don't know where the one went, but the other one went into the woods. Right where I was about to go. I had the sun in my eyes.
What's the deal here?
Working. Together. We have to give this guy water for Danny, so I'm gonna go.
Yeah, we all need water.
Oh, well, there's a jug of water back there. We can split it up.
Okay. Where is it?
In camp.
Oh, good.
Watch back.
Yeah, seriously.
Matt Dillon, you're dehydrating. How do you feel?
Tired.
What up, Dave? I don't know where you guys are going. Are we in a group or not? Like, no? All right.
Go!
I know. I'm stabbing. My book bag.
Each of you need half a bottle.
Each of us?
Well, I found one.
That don't mean anything. You're letting him take it out. Whoever pours it out. Actually, just hand it to me. You don't have to pour it out.
You got half.
Check the bottom.
Does this count?
Let me see.
Who needs it?
Just get the bottom. It's the bottom.
Whoever hands it to me, it counts. But
Do you need it?
No, I don't need it. I just spawned.
Okay, here.
all right, Talker's
The
good.
bottom.
No problem.
Bottom.
Do you need
Bottom
ammo?
pocket.
What? No, I got it full or like semi.
It's not there.
Like 2
I
minus
put it
2
in there. Who else went in your backpack?
I don't know.
Yo, can you hold my gun? I'm gonna try and pick up this crate.
Is that? Yeah.
There.
Hand it to me and you're good. You're clear. Wow, how convenient. Who needs water?
Good stuff. We got food. We got mid-cap.
Mid-cap.
Hey, there might be a few out here.
2 of them over there? I saw one laying down. Is there one like in the middle part?
Yes. Alright, how do you want to get him?
It's Talker and one more. He's still behind the greenhouse.
Come on.
Talker, we'll make you an offer. We'll give you a first aid kit if you take off.
Somebody's just shooting over here. And then, like,
You want to take the offer or do you want to waste your ammo all day? Better yet, we'll give you a little bit of water so you can survive longer. The offer won't stand much longer. I said I'll give you water if you go the other way. Or you can make a truce and we can team up. They keep hitting the fucking trees next to me. All right, you sealed your own fate, buddy.
that was in the goggles?
Yeah.
He's behind that big ass wall over here.
Okay.
He's still firing rounds at me.
I don't see him.
I know, I hit you, motherfucker.
Oh, Evan's out. Jake's out!
You wanna play today? I'll play today. Really, Talker? I know I hit you like 7 times.
Hit.
Did I?
Yep.
Fuck.
Hit!
Leave my bag and you take the shit.
Oh! Yo, jackpot!
Cut it open? Well, you guys are gonna need it.
It's very fishy.
They're not gonna do anything with all of us right here unless they throw a nade up in here.
Grenade!
No, it never went off.
Damn it.
Oh, you all 3 down?
Yeah.
Here, fella, what are you doing? What you gotta do? I'll put my pistol down.
An actual legitimate bottle of water?
Looks like it.
You got 2 choices. You join me or you die.
I'll join you. I was just giving you the bottle of water.
Yeah, you know what?
Bro, dick move.
Nah, dude, nah. Last game he fucked me.
Oh. Water. Yeah, I think we should build the base and hold it down. We already got all the stuff.
Who's that?
They're probably scouts. We need to shut this up.